Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Tay coming to you today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a removable wig, honey, okay? She has a closure with 3 bundles. The hair is from Allie Grace Hair, and this is how the unit looks underneath. And look how quick and easy it is to just slip the unit on. It looks like a whole sew-in closure, guys. Like, it's just the most easiest, convenient thing ever. So here's all her natural hair, and of course I'm just going to moisturize her hair and braid it down. You guys I hope you guys know how to braid down, but this is the style I'm going to do. I'm going to part hair down the middle and braid all the braids downward and connect all of them together, as you guys already know. And just make sure you add a little bit of braiding hair for her perimeter braid. That way it just has a little bit more stability. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to use Jamaican black castor oil mixed with jojoba oil and rub that on her scalp just to give her some moisture and make sure that her hair is not itchy and dry underneath the wig. And next, here is the closure. I went ahead and bleached it and plucked it so it is ready to go. Plastic wrap in a men's dome cap. Men's dome cap just provide more stretch and more durability. I like them better than the women's dome cap. So after you braid her hair down and then moisturize her scalp, you are then going to get some plastic wrap and just wrap about 5 to 6 times around just to cover her whole head and give her a good mold. After that, and make sure the top is covered up as well. Make sure you press down at the top. That way none of her hair is exposed. Once you do that, you're going to put the dome cap on top and make sure those 2 lines in the top of the dome cap are even and leveled up. That way you know the cap fits right. When it comes to the closure application, what you're going to do is you're going to put the closure at least an inch above in front of the dome cap. You're not going to put it directly where the dome cap starts. Once you do that, once you do that and get that leveled out, you're going to get the client to hold both sides, and then you're going to stitch the closure down on both sides and then the back as well. After you stitch the closure down, then you're going to sew in the bundles. I did fit all 3 bundles into the hair. The hair is 22 inches, 20 inches, and 22, 20, and 18. And then the closure is 18 as well. So, like I said, the hair was from Allie Grace Hair. This video is not sponsored. She just decided to buy that hair. And I think I've used their hair before, but I didn't tell her what hair to get. She just found them herself on AliExpress. But I really love that company. They're really bomb. I love their hair. The hair smells nice. It's always true to length. It's just a company that I highly recommend, honestly. But after you do that, you're gonna just keep sewing, keep folding. Once you get to the front, you're gonna start cutting the tracks. That way it lays flat on the sides and not bumpy. If you feel like the cap slides back, just make sure that it keeps being slid forward, because if not, the cap will be too small and it won't fit the way you want them to fit. Okay guys, so after you finish the last stitch, you're going to take the cap off the client's hair. And so underneath where you see all the black cap, you're going to cut off the black cap where the closure is at. That way you don't see black underneath that. Now this is optional, you don't have to, but it just gives it a more natural finish in my opinion. I am going to sew this wig down. See how natural it looks? It looks really good. But I'm going to sew this wig down. You don't have to sew it down. You can sew some clips on and just clip the wig in place if you're scared it's going to come off. Or you can attach a band. I did neither. I put it on. As you can see, it fits pretty good without me even plucking or anything like that. I just put it on. I'm going to just sew a couple spots, 2 in the front and then a couple stitches in the back, and that's it guys. That wig is not going anywhere and it still fits pretty good. Right here I'm just drying the hair out and just starting to flatten out the closure, and after that I'm just going to pluck the closure and flat iron the closure, and then that's it you guys. It takes the same amount of the time it takes to do a sew-in, but I feel like I just recommend this for a lot of people because it's just easier to construct a unit than just to have separate pieces for a wig. But of course, if you don't want to just wholeheartedly say, okay, this hair is going to be for a wig, you can just get sew-ins, of course, so that way you can switch your styles up, half down styles and all types of things. If you guys want to see a frontal made like this, and then me applying it, then definitely comment that below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you guys later. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.